Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. So, Realme recently launched the Realme GT 7 Pro. In these model it comes with cutting-edge technology meets stunning design. Featuring a breathtaking 6.78-inch 1.5K LTPO Samsung Eco Superscript 2 OLED display, the Realme GT 7 Pro delivers a stunning 120Hz refresh rate. With a peak brightness of 2000 nits, every detail shines through, even in bright sunlight. On the performance, it's powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite and backed by LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage. The GT 7 Pro ensures lightning-fast performance. Whether you're gaming or multitasking, it handles everything with ease. The camera is superb. Capture stunning moments with the triple rear camera setup, a 50MP Sony IMX906 with optical image stabilization, an 8MP IMX355 ultra-wide lens, and a 50MP Sony IMX882 periscope lens with 3x optical zoom. Plus, the 16MP Sony IMX480 front camera ensures your selfies shine. The battery and charging. With a massive 5,800 mAh battery, the Realme GT 7 Pro keeps you powered throughout the day. And when it's time to recharge, enjoy lightning-fast 120-watt charging that gets you back to full in no time. The connectivity and sound. Stay connected with Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, and an IR blaster for remote control. Experience immersive sound through dual stereo speakers that enhance your audio experience. The design and build. Crafted with a metal frame and Gorilla Glass 7 eye protection, the Realme GT 7 Pro is not only stylish but also durable. Its sleek 8.55mm thickness and lightweight design make it a joy to hold. Additional features. Enjoy advanced features like a GUDX ultrasonic in-display fingerprint scanner for quick access, non-polarized natural light eye protection for your comfort, and an X-axis linear motor for rich haptic feedback. Water and dust resistance. With an IP68 plus IP69 rating, the Realme GT 7 Pro is designed to withstand the elements, making it the perfect companion for any adventure. Coming on the pricing, available now at an incredible price, $710 for the 12GB RAM and 256GB storage variant, and $770 for the 16GB RAM and 512GB storage option. This is a premium flagship from Realme. Their pattern of smartphone, especially Realme GT 7 Pro, is exceptional. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.